Hi, ma'am. What's your name?
I'm Divyashri Vucha.
Ma'am, you're from?
So I'm based out of Hyderabad and I'm an artist and an expressive art therapy facilitator.
Okay.
So my company, a personal not at public yet, it's called Kalayape.
మ్యామ్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇక్కడ 3 days ఆప్తా క్యాటలిస్ట్ వాళ్ళు అది కూడా కమ్యూనిటీ లెవెల్లో ఇంత గ్రాండ్గా ఈవెంట్ కండక్ట్ చేయడం అందులో మీరు పార్ట్ తీసుకోవడం మీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
So it's very interesting that something like this big is happening. I don't think I'm a caste person. I have never known that. But over a period of time, someone of your community is being very welcoming and supportive, providing mentorship and encouraging new entrepreneurs is a great initiative, I feel. Yes, I've been here yesterday. When it started off, it was a little chaotic, I would say. But then over a period of time, they picked it up really well. And I hope it's going great. And I hope more of something like this will keep happening. It's going to be a lot of support for everyone.
సో ఎంతోమంది బడ్డీ ఎంటర్ప్రైనర్స్ కానీ అప్కమింగ్ ఎంటర్ప్రైనర్స్ ఆర్ మెనీ వన్ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ అన్ ఎంటర్ప్రైనర్ అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ఫుల్ మీరు వాళ్ళకి ఏం చెప్తామని?
So I think someone who's the upcoming entrepreneur, a lot of them don't know the basics of it. Like people start with an idea. They think the idea is enough to build a business, but not necessarily. There's going to be a lot of steps on what you have to go through to build a business. All these success leaders who are here, they have not just started with an idea. It's the idea, it's the mentorship that has built them to know where money comes from, how to manage it, how to invest it, how to take care of building it further. Evolving over time, it's not stagnant. People have businesses from years. It doesn't happen overnight. So all of that journey is something shared by them. I think that is what you're here to learn from the experts to know how can you be the next expert.
Ma'am, this entire event is all about connect, collaborate and create. Is that happened for you?
Yes, I do think I am getting to connect with a lot of people here. Collaboration is a result of connect. I would say right now I'm here to connect with them, build a connection. Over a period of time, I would be grateful if I get to collaborate with someone, and I would say the creation is going to be outcome of that.
All the very best.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.